Hello there, my name is Rita from Premium Line. As you know, little things play a very important role in installation projects, and today I'm going to be showing you how the easiest way to use our LC Unitube fiber optic connector. So this is a special demo that we have made ready for you. As you will see, there are two patch cords. This is the standard patch cord, and in order for you to remove the one from below, you have to remove the one from the top first. You can see how a little bit stiff it can be. Okay, and now you can remove the one from below. And the second one is what we call the Unitube LC. This is a push and pull. You can remove the one from below without necessarily removing the one from the top. Look at how this works. It's easy and it's very user-friendly. Well, I hope this information has been useful to you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.